Good morning, dear students. The topic for the day is poem When I Set Out for Lyonesse. Summary of the poem. In the first stanza, the poet says that when he set out for Lyonesse, Cornwall in real, which was 100 miles away, there was rime, that is frost, and small ice crystals on the spray, that is leaves and branches. The line gives an insight into the climate. It was winter season and thus chilling cold was everywhere. In poetry, winter symbolizes doom or sorrow or darkness, hence the poet seems to be hopeless. He feels lonely and the starlight is his only hope. According to him, the twinkling stars takes away his loneliness. The poet repeats the first two lines. According to him, all this happened when he set out for Lyonesse, which was 100 miles away from his home. The first stanza symbolizes hopelessness and a quest for something. Second stanza. In the second stanza, the poet wonders what would happen at Lyonesse when he will sojourn there. The lines depict that the poet is quite curious and excited about the visit. He feels that neither prophet can thus declare nor the wisest witch can guess. Again, the first two lines of this stanza are repeated. According to him, he does not know what will happen at Lyonesse when he will stay there. The second stanza describes the poet's curiosity. He is thinking that something great and memorable will happen at Lyonesse. Third stanza. In the third stanza, the poet returns from Lyonesse. He does not tell what exactly happened there. However, according to him, when he returned back from Lyonesse, all the people marked that there was magic in his eyes, that is, his eyes were shining. They found that the radiance in his eyes is rare and fathomless, that is, deep and profound. Thus, the poet seems to have achieved something which he was questing for. His hope is fulfilled. He has got something that has transformed him. It was Emma, his soon to be wife. Again, the poet repeats the first two lines of this stanza. According to him, all this happened when he returned back from Lyonesse with magic in his eyes.